Alright, today we're going to put a new cover, a new tarp on the old boat. So it's out here in the weather, and I cleaned this thing all up really good last fall, and I had this cover on there, but the storm come through and just kind of ripped it apart. So we're gonna put a cover over the whole boat. So I'm gonna take this thing up, vacuum it out, move this old cover, and then we're gonna go ahead and put a new cover on it. Okay, got the old tarp off of there. It was halfway wanting to cover the motor. Now we're getting ready to vacuum up all these leaves with this old noise maker here. Sometimes I blow these leaves out, but it's usually easier just to vacuum it all up. Vacuum all these leaves up and be right back. Alright, we're getting ready to tow the boat back behind the shed. We got it all cleaned up. So we're gonna move it. We're gonna go back there behind the shed somewhere. Alright, I got the old boat behind the shed, and I keep it jacked up pretty high so that keep the water running out of it. So now got it cleaned out pretty good. We're gonna go ahead and put a cover up on this bad boy. See what kind of homemade job we can come up with. Okay, so with an old well pipe, it's an old cast iron well pipe. I got this bracket here I made up with just a bunch of scrap wood in the shop, and got it centered over the boat. And then what I'm going to do is put some foam insulation on the pipe and then hang an old tarp over there and tie it down. This is the tarp I'm going to use. It's from Harbor Freight. It's like 34 bucks, but you can get them 40-50% off at times. It's a pretty good buy. It's a 12 mil, so it's pretty thick. I'm using this pipe insulation on the pipe, and I'll cover the rest of this pipe so that it doesn't want to easily tear the tarp once I get it up there. Alright, got it covered up. That'll work for a minute. And I'm going to get a cover here to put over top the motor back here. Everybody have a good day.